Hey, it's Kevin Lit. Finally got her back out in the water. Oh my God. It took like 45 minutes prying this thing out of the mud. And this mud grips like suction cups. And it's like quicksand, but about to take my boat back out for the first time since that storm a couple weeks or so ago. And yeah, I'd be sailing again on the mighty AS aluminum ship Salton. Didn't bother with my GoPro this time, so I got a weird angle here, down kind of low. I've just got my Samsung Galaxy phone on a little mini tripod. We'll see a trial run, and all is going well. Cruise around here a little bit more. And if the weather cooperates the next few days, I'll be taking her back out on the water some more. Yeah, decent afterglow. Look at that. I thought the clouds would be a little more colorful, but they're still pretty decent. So, like I said, there's almost never a bad sunset out here at Bombay Beach. And I love that it's finally calm and not windy as fuck like it was the last few nights, especially last night when I was trying to barbecue. Alright, turning her starboard. And we'll cruise up and down the coast. And I think I'll call it a night, at least for the boating excursion. I'm not going to bed this early. Past the town, yeah, where you can see those blue and green red lights. That's my place, Camp Kevin. Obviously it's lit. I mean, I would have to change I couldn't call myself Kevin Lit if I kept my place dark. Nice chocolate mountains in the background. Zoom in, there is the tentacle still reflecting nicely even though it's a bit more inland. Shangri-La hearts. Oh man, it's two words, Spanish words or Italian words begin with the letter T. I can't for the life of me remember, but pirate ship. Look at that. And of course the chocolate mountains. Down there, that is the ski end too. In the distance, a little grainy. This is a phone video. Still see a nice reflection from though. And the red neon save me sign there. There's the swing, famous swing. Let's see, I gotta steer the boat a little bit more towards the shore. There we go. You can't really see it on the film, but I was drifting out to sea a little bit. The cube. That cube is a tribute to Shig, who made similar cubes. Chair out there that I just like to chill in. Yeah. What's with the... Wait a minute, I saw a new blue light a moment ago. It was just a reflection. Yeah, right there. Oh, that's on the nothing sign. Never mind. The diving board looks fucking trippy from this angle. Soon that's not going to be in the water anymore. But look at that. Look at the way it's... Because there's a little bit of ripple. And how, especially the lights on the water there, that's pretty cool. And Camp Kevin. The Judah fish, which is out of the water now. We gotta get that fish back in the water. Anyways, go back out there. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash, don't depress it. You don't want to put the button in a bad mood, so don't depress the like and subscribe buttons. You gotta smash those buttons. Thanks for watching. Kevin Lit in Bombay Beach, California.